What if one small machine sitting in your spare room could replace your entire salary? I know that sounds crazy, but stay with me for the next 4 minutes, because what you are about to see is going to completely change the way you think about making money from home. These are 4 real machines for real businesses, and people are running all of them right now from small spaces with no employees and no storefront. Let's go! Machine number 1 and 2, the HGTECH Fiber Laser Cutter. Look at that beam, that blue light slicing through solid steel like it is made of paper. This is a fiber laser cutter, and what it does is take a flat sheet of metal and turn it into anything. Custom signs, decorative panels, precision parts for cars, buildings, and electronics. The sparks you see flying, that is steel being vaporized at the exact point the laser touches it, not melted. Vaporized. The precision is so high it can hold a tolerant thinner than a human hair. Now here is where it gets interesting for you as a business owner. Every construction company, every interior designer, every furniture maker in your city needs someone with this machine. They need custom metal parts, cut fast and cut clean. They have a budget for it. They just need someone to do it. That someone can be you. A single custom metal sign sells for $50 to $500. One corporate order for decorative laser cut panels can bring in thousands. And the machine does all the work. You just load the design and press start. This is not a hobby machine. This is a profit machine. Machine number 3, the IPS-LUV5W Crystal Laser Engraver. Now, stop. Look at this. What you are seeing is a 3-dimensional sculpture floating inside a solid block of glass. Not printed on the surface. Not a sticker. It is inside the glass. Permanent. Untouchable. This machine fires a laser beam deep into a crystal block and creates tiny precision fractures at exact coordinates in 3-dimensional space. Thousands of them stacked together. They form a complete 3-dimensional image that glows when light hits it. The result looks like something from the future, and people pay serious money for it. A memorial portrait of a loved one inside a crystal block sells for $150 to $300. A crystal corporate trophy sells for $200 to $500. A custom 3D gaming character or anime figure sells fast on Etsy, $460 to $150. Your material cost, $5 to $15 per crystal block. You do the math. This machine sits on a desk. It connects to a laptop. You upload a photo, press start, and 20 minutes later, you have a product worth 10 times what you paid for the blank. That is not a side hustle. That is a business. Machine number 4, the laser glass drilling machine. And finally, this one. Watch what is happening on that glass. A 10mm thick glass panel, and the machine is drilling a perfect clean hole straight through it. No cracks, no chips, no fractures. Just a perfect hole in glass that would shatter the moment a traditional drill touched it. This technology is what architects, interior designers, hotel builders, and electronics manufacturers spend a lot of money outsourcing, because almost nobody has this machine locally. Custom glass partitions, frameless shower enclosures, glass staircases, solar panel components. These are all industries growing fast, and all of them need precision glass cutting right now. One hotel renovation contract. One architectural firm partnership. That alone can generate more revenue in a single month than most small retail businesses make in a year. Low competition. High ticket. Repeat clients. This is the definition of a smart business. So, there you have it. 4 machines, 4 income streams, all running from a small space with no factory, no employees, and no storefront. The Fiber Laser Cutter for custom metalwork. The Crystal Engraver for personalized gifts and awards. The Glass Laser Processor for architectural and industrial contracts. The only question now is which one matches your ambition. The only question now is which one matches your ambition. If this video opened your eyes to something new, hit that like button right now and subscribe so you never miss what is coming next. And tell me in the comments, which machine would you start with? I read every single one. See you in the next video.